So Emma's never been adjusted before, except by herself. So she's in for a big treat. All right. So we're going to start with you on your back, face up. So did you adjust your neck today?
I have not, no.
Oh, so we might get some good noises.
Maybe, potentially.
All right. You actually do a pretty good job with your neck. I can see that's the one that you're not getting yourself. So
Yep.
whenever you pop your own neck, and if your relief doesn't last more than just a couple minutes or 20 minutes or even an hour, then you're probably not getting the right joint to release. So if you're finding yourself habitually feeling the need to pop your neck, chances are you need to see a chiropractor. Of course, I'm totally biased, but if you release your neck and you hear that popping sound and it feels good and it lasts for more than an hour, chances are you got the right spot. All right. Is there any pain when I do that?
Nope.
Now I know that's tender there, but other than that, there's no pain, right?
Nope.
I'm going to do your less painful side first.
Okay.
Breathe in, exhale. This is just going to be very little, just like that. See how small that was? No, I know, right? Now this one's going to be a bit more because this is your sticky side. So breathe in, exhale, and relax that shoulder. See how much noisier that was?
Wow.
That was a professional adjustment. Oh, but you see how much better that is?
Yeah.
So I'm working on her traps now because that's why, that muscle is why that bone right there is always being pulled that way. Simply put. See how that's a little tender right
Oh,
there?
yeah.
Try to relax it. You feel it kind of easing up.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. You'll feel it here in just a second. See?
Yeah.
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 All right, and look at your hands. Oh, yes.
Careful.
Yes. When did that happen again?
December 5th was the surgery. It was injured back in September.
Well, we'll save that for another video. Yeah, not today, not quite yet. That is going to take a little more time. Oh, I can't wait to work on that.
I'm excited.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this feels really good.
So
Well,
I do the knuckles a lot.
yeah. Now there's something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was easy. See how that already feels better? Yeah. Again, going to that armpit because there's lymph nodes there and muscles in there. All right. And you can see your feet are a little bit off there.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to love this. You're
Real
a little hot.
flat feet. So
Yeah, yeah. No, we are so scanning your feet. Lay on this side facing me this way. There we go. Give that a little pull. And then bend this knee, straighten your bottom leg. This goes down like that.
Okay.
Breathe in, exhaling, relax. Just like that. Let's do the other side. So go ahead and straighten that bottom leg. And that's actually pretty good. That's good mobility. That goes like that. And this goes like that. And we're going to raise that knee up just a bit more.
Okay.
Any pain with that?
Nope.
Can you feel how there's a little sore spot
Yeah.
right there?
Mhm.
Yep. So this one might be a little noisier. Breathe in. Exhaling, drop that knee. See what I mean? Yeah. All right, let's get you on your belly. I have a feeling your upper back's going to make all kinds of noise.
Oh, yeah.
It's already popping. Yep. Okay, so you got a pretty good restriction right there. Is that okay, that pressure? Oh man, you're gonna like when I release that one. Almost done. Oh, it's right there. Last little bit. The little seed is holding on. Oh, there it goes. You feel it changing?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Perfect. It's all about hitting the right spot at the right angle. All right, you need a hug. Let's get you a hug. Give yourself a hug. Is that okay on your wrist to do that? All right, you're gonna lift your head up a little bit towards me. Yep, breathe in and fall down. Just nothing there yet. Scoot down a little bit more. It's a little higher than that actually. Lift your head up, breathe in, and exhale. There it is. Nice. Oh, wow. Found it. Yeah. Go ahead and sit up, face her, and see how you're feeling.
Yeah, a lot looser.
Isn't that cool? Yeah. And now you know why you pop yourself all the time. Yeah. And you should notice you don't pop as much anymore.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
great. That's fantastic. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Drummond